Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve this problem called you and your books. Okay. So it's the Geeks for Geeks problem of the day for today. So let's read the question first of all. You have n stack of books. Each stack of books has some non-zero height, ARR of I. Okay, so ARR of I represent a stack of books. Okay. So equals to the number of books on that stack. Okay, so considering all the books have identical and each book has a height of 1 unit. In one move, you can select any number of consecutive stacks of books such that the height of each selected stack of books are lesser than or equals to k. Once such a sequence of stack is chosen, you can collect any number of books from the chosen sequence of stacks. And what is the maximum number of books that you can collect in this way? Okay, so let's understand the question. Let's understand the question first of all. Okay, so in the question it is given there are some stacks of books. Okay, so this is a stack of books and this is a stack of books, right? So in this stack there are 3 books and each book has a height of 1 unit. And let's say all these books are identical. That basically means all the books has height 1 unit. Okay, so height of this stack is 3 because it has 3 books. Height of this stack is 2 because it has 2 books, and height of this stack is 2. Similarly, all these heights are given. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to choose a set of consecutive stacks such that size of each stack doesn't exceed this k. That is 2 given in this case. Okay, and we have to get the maximum number of books that you can collect in this way. Okay, so let's say I'm picking these stacks, right? Consecutive stacks. So 2, 2 and 3. Can I pick 2? Yes, because 2 is lesser than or equals to k. Can I pick this one? Yes. But I cannot pick this. Why? Because see, 3 is exceeding the limit that is k, right? So each individual stack should be within the range of 0 to k. Or let's say 1 to k, because ARR of i's value will be anyway greater than or equals to 1. Okay, so we have to make sure that whatever stacks we are picking up, each individual stack should be within the range of k. Right, so can I pick these two? Yes, because 2 is in the range of k and this 2 is also in the range of k, right? So when I take this stack, I got how many books? I got 4 books. Can I go for this? Can I go for this? I can pick up this, I can pick up this, I cannot pick up this. Why? Because see, 3 is exceeding the limit, right? So I'm planning to pick up this. So these 3 I can pick. So total book that I got is 3, right? So in this case, my answer is 4. Why? Because 4 is the maximum number of books that I can collect by taking the consecutive sets of books that are under, in which each stack has books lesser than or equals to k, right? So question is clear? Okay, so now let's look into the approach, right? See, the question basically says that we have to find a subarray, right? What is subarray? Consecutive elements, right? So we have to find the subarray having maximum sum, but each individual array should be lesser than or equals to k. So the question boils down to this question. Now let's see how we are going to solve it. So see, search for the valid starting point, and collect all the possible books from that starting point. And after that, I can say one subarray is completed, right? So let's say k is actually 2, right? So can I start from here? No, because see, 3 is exceeding the limit. Can I start from here? Yes, I can start. So I'm taking this book, then I'm going forward. Can I take this? Yes, I can take this. So I'm taking this book. So now I have 4 books. Then I'm going forward again. Can I take this? No, because 3 is exceeding the limit. So till here I have collected 4 books and this I cannot take. Can I start from here? Yes, I have taken 1 book from here. Then this also I can take. I have taken 2 books and this also I can take. So I have taken 3 books till now. Then when it reaches here, I cannot take. Why? Because this is exceeding the limit. Till here I had 3 books, right? The maximum of this 4 and this 3 is 4. So 4 will be my answer. So what we basically did, we actually iterated through the array. We found the starting point, then we started counting, right? So at a particular point, we couldn't count. So at this time, we made this counter to be 0. But before doing this, previously whatever was in the count, that is 4, we will store it in the answer and we will keep the maximum values, right? So we will move forward until here we have 3 counts. After this loop, I will again check for the count and the existing answer, and whichever will be the maximum value, I will store that in the answer, right? So the question is very simple. So let's look at the code now. Okay, so I am declaring this maxi. This maxi will be storing the maximum count value, right? So that will be the answer, and this count will be storing the current count while going through the individual stacks. So if it is within the range, what I'm going to do, I'm going to count this from the size of stack, right? If we cannot take it, then I'm going to fetch the maximum value among the current answer and the existing count. And after that only I'm going to convert this count to 0. So from here, I will start from 0. And at the end also, I'm going to check for this count and the current maximum value. And if the count is having bigger number, that means the last subarray has the maximum number of books, right? So I will take care of that in this part, and then I will be returning the maxi value. So whatever the time complexity is very simple. That is, this loop runs for often times, right? So time complexity will be often and space complexity will be often. Why? Because we are not using any recursion or we are not using any extra space, right? So that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.